Hey everyone, my name is Vanessa and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys some easy and healthy dessert and snack recipes that you can try. And then at the end of the video I'll tell you a little bit more about myself and why I decided to start a YouTube channel. Alright, let's get into it. Hey guys, so now we're in the kitchen because we're going to be making an easy and healthy 3-ingredient, high-protein, low-calorie smoothie. So, the first thing you're going to need is a bag of frozen fruit. I like to use sliced strawberries and bananas because bananas bring the sweetness, strawberries are my favorite fruit, all together really great. Then I use some Oikos yogurt because it has 15 grams of protein, only 100 calories, and it's pretty sweet, so it adds some more sweetness to your smoothie. And then last but not least, I like to add some water, just plain and simple water, because I feel like orange juice is sweet, almost too sweet, and it overpowers all the other flavors in the smoothies. Almond milk, I really don't like. Yes, I do say almond, not almond or however else anyone says it. And then coconut water isn't a favorite for me either, so I just use plain and simple water. So let's get started. Okay, so we first add 1.5 cups of the fruit, the entire container of yogurt, and then about half a cup of water, or more if your blender needs it. And then you just blend it right up. It only should take about 20-30 seconds tops. And then after that's done, it makes about 2 cups, so that's a pretty decent sized smoothie. You just pour it in a glass. And if you want, you can add some chia seeds like I did. And there you go, voila! Okay, so the next thing we're going to be making are protein pancakes. These are perfect post-workout snacks, desserts, anything like that. You're going to need an egg, a banana, some protein powder, and some oats. Alright, so we're going to start by using some Quaker steel-cut oats, grind those up in a blender to make like an oat flour, and then you're going to want to use a little less than a half a cup of that, 1.5 scoops of protein powder or more if you want extra protein, an egg, and a banana. You just toss it all in your blender, and the blender will do all of the work, so you're good to go. I like these because they're not too sweet, but you can add chocolate chips if you want to make them even sweeter if you're doing it for dessert. I personally like to use vanilla protein powder because I don't think it adds a super heavy flavor to it. So yeah, you just toss in a little bit of coconut oil or whatever oil you prefer, pour the batter out, flip them halfway. I kind of overcook these, I'm not gonna lie, but they still turned out amazing. It makes about 18 pancakes. I served them with some jelly, and then I had a cup of tea with it. It was a perfect post-workout snack. Next is the yogurt parfait. You basically just add some fruit and yogurt however you like it, and then you could use granola, but in this case I use some Raisin Nut Bran because sometimes I find that granola is too sweet or has too many calories. And then yeah, toss in whatever fruit you like and boom, you're done. Super healthy. Alright, moving on to our healthy mug cakes, you're going to use a banana, then a teaspoon of cocoa powder or more if you want it to be more chocolatey, a little bit of coconut oil on the edges, about a tablespoon of peanut butter, then 2 tablespoons of the oat flour, about a tablespoon of protein powder. You can add more of that if you want more protein. Mix that all together, microwave it for 2 minutes, and you are done. Hey guys, so now I'll tell you guys a little bit about myself. So I'm a freshman at UW-Madison. I'm from the suburbs of Chicago, and so right now I'm home for winter break, which is why I have an amazing kitchen to work with and make all these healthy snacks and stuff. But when I get back to college, I'll show you guys a bunch of things that you can do, you know, from a college dorm room where you have like limited supplies, limited resources, all that, not a lot of time. I know I don't have a lot of time, but I want to show you guys some cool things that you can do with that. I made this YouTube channel so that I can show you guys, you know, how to be healthy and happy and how to have fun in college, but also be able to be the best you can be. I'll show you guys like dorm decor ideas and healthy snacks and desserts and cool dinner ideas and just what to do when you like get to college and how to prepare for college and all that kind of stuff. It's to kind of help people, you know, maintain a healthy lifestyle, transition to college, you know, be the best you can be wherever you are and whatever you're doing. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and we'll give the recipes a try, and please hit the like button and subscribe if you want more videos like this. Thank you!